Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 11. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, you guys have to firstly check that your system is really eligible or not for Windows 11. In order to check, you guys have to search for Windows 11 system requirements. Windows 11 system requirements. Here you guys have to check the information about Windows 11. If your system is really eligible, then you guys have to do second step. In the second step, you guys have to simply search for Windows 11 download Microsoft. So after searching for Windows 11 download Microsoft, you will have to just tap on first website, which is by Microsoft. So after clicking on the website, you guys have to just simply click on this download now button. So after downloading, you guys have to open up the installation package. Here you guys have to just simply to check that Windows 11 is really for your PC or not. So after refreshing and check the PC health, you guys have to tap on close, and here you guys have to download the second one. So after downloading that, it will download the Windows 11 installer to your PC. So after downloading the Windows 11 installer, you guys have to follow the on-screen instruction to install the Windows on your PC. So hope guys you will really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.